Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Nabil. My nomenclature is B0820104995 and my partner is Muhammad Amir Fikri bin Azmi. His nomenclature is B0820104997 and today we are gonna present about working principle of simple DC motor. And the simple DC motor we're gonna talk about is homopolar motor. Next. A homopolar motor is a type of electric motor. Specifically, it is one that uses direct current to power rotational movement, such as that generated by a battery. In the homopolar motor, the electric conductor, which is movable, bounded to a direction, and it will remain in the constant magnetic field. In principle, there is a relation between the magnetic field, electric current, and moment of inertia. Their magnitudes are calculated by the generated electric power. There will be a constant magnetic field in the current carrying wire, and that's why the wire rotates. When the conductor moves through the magnetic field, it would be opposed by a force and will be pushed through the magnetic field. And this force will create a torque around the axis of rotations. It is because the axis of rotation is parallel to magnetic field, and the opposing magnetic field do not change polarity, so no commutation is needed to turn the conductor, and it is achieved by the help of single coil turn, but it would make this homopolar motor unsuited for many applications. So this homopolar motor creates rotational movement because of what is known as the Lorentz force. So Lorentz force is a charged particle moving through a magnetic field experience a force that is at right angles to both the direction in which the particle is moving and the direction of the applied field. The Lorentz force is experienced by an electric current, which is composed of moving charged particle. So I'm gonna pass to Amir Fikri for the next presentation.
My name Muhammad Amir Fikri bin Azmi, and I will present about Fleming left-hand rule. We can see the diagram at the right. Fleming left-hand rule. We can use our left hand to do right like this. The thumb represent the direction of the thrust or resultant motion. The first finger represent the direction of the field, fixed magnetic field, north to south. And the middle finger represent the direction of the current, conventional direction, positive to negative. The thumb is the force. The first finger is the magnetic field, and the middle finger is the current. Application of left-hand rule in homopolar motor. To apply a left-hand rule in homopolar motor, make this shape with our left hand. The middle finger point to the direction of the current, and the first finger point to our magnetic field, which is from north to south. After that, we can decide the direction of the coil, which is rotate to clockwise direction. Our main project material is copper wire, AA size battery, and a magnet. The procedure to build the homopolar motor: first, make a V shape in the middle of the copper wire. Bend the copper wire into love loop. Mount the magnet onto the magnet. Hook the copper wire and the base around the magnet. Place the AA size battery with a protruding end on the magnet. Complete the electric circuit by placing the V shape and the rectangular loop onto the flat end of the battery and watch the loop spin. Be careful not to keep the current following for too long, as the battery and wire can get very hot. This is the simulation video for our Formula Moto.